Calculating toolboard needs for base-style vertical slide-outs. Base-style vertical slide-outs are designed with PAC's tool mounting pattern on both vertical sides and slide on the horizontal base assembly. These are ideal for maneuvering and securing heavy base-mounted equipment, for example spreaders and rams, which are secured vertically but rest the weight at the base. To size and cost your base-style vertical slide-out toolboards, we will need some dimensions from you. Step 1. Depth dimension. Making things easier, base-style vertical slide-outs only come in two depths, the standard 24-inch slide or an 18-inch version for shallow compartments. Consideration: the 24-inch slide requires 25.5 inches of depth for installation, and the 18-inch version requires 19.5 inches of depth. Step 1 is to select the proper version for your compartment. The next two steps will develop the width of the horizontal slide-out, and then, once known, we will develop the height of the vertical board. Step 2. Width dimensions. Design note: the longer 24-inch slides can support a wider load, as there is more surface area to support a larger structure. Therefore, on the 18-inch slides for this application, we like to limit the horizontal slide width to 28 inches. On the 24-inch slides, we can extend as far as 34 inches wide. Please provide your desired slide width as well as your door opening width for confirmation. Note that our target overall width dimension will be at most 1/2 inch less than your door opening width. Step 3. Height dimensions. Let's develop the last piece of the puzzle, the vertical board length, which will give us our total overall height. Let's start with your roll-up compartment door opening height. As an example, let's say that you measured that at 40 inches. From that 40 inches, we need you to subtract 4¼ inches. 4¼ inches accounts for the 3¼ inch height from the floor to the top of your horizontal shelf, upon which your vertical boards will be mounted, along with a 1-inch gap that we recommend for clearance to the bottom of your raised roll-up door. Subtract this 4¼ inches from your 40-inch door opening height, and you get 35¾ inches. Now, 35¾ inches could be your maximum possible board height. However, there are two more considerations or limitations. If you choose the 18-inch slide assembly, we have a recommended maximum board length of 26¾ inches tall, measuring from the top of the horizontal shelf upward. And if you choose 24-inch slides, the recommended maximum board length is 36¾ inches. In this example, an 18-inch slide would dictate the maximum board length. However, for the 24-inch slide, it is the height of the compartment door that dictated the maximum board length. That's it. Depth, width, and height. If you need sizes outside of those recommended, please call a PAC representative for special design considerations. We would be glad to help. View our other videos online for additional tips and information.